तो और कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप आप सब बढ़िया होंगे, मैं भी एकदम बढ़िया हूँ. So let's start today's Vprople question of the day. The name of today's question is check money taken by a child. So this question states that a child wants to go to a chocolate expo and buy some chocolates. His father gives him a task and says that he will take the child to the expo provided if he successfully does the task. Okay, and the task is the chocolate expo has variety of chocolates and all the prices which are natural numbers. The father gives a bowl of coins and tells the child that 2 rupees has to be spent as bus fare to reach the expo, and he will buy 4 chocolates of same cost for him, provided the child can pick coins that sum up to a value with which they can reach the chocolate expo and buy exactly 4 chocolates of same cost, and no money should be left out after purchasing the chocolates. So basically, what we have been told in this question is that there's a kid whose father has given him a bowl of coins, and he has told him that it will cost him 2 rupees for the bus fare, and the rest of money he has to spend the rest of the money buying exactly 4 chocolates. Now we have to check that if the child can buy exactly 4 chocolates with the remaining amount of money subtracted the bus fare. If the child can buy exactly 4 chocolates with the remaining amount of money, then we will print success, and if not, then we will print fail. So let's start and solve today's question. So first of all, we have to input the value in the binary representation, the number of coins, the bowl of coins in the form of binary representation, and then we'll convert it to decimal value. So n equal to input, that will input the binary value, and here I'm going to convert the binary value to decimal value, integer n comma 2. This is the format to convert binary value to decimal value. Now I will subtract 2 rupees from the total money we have for the bus fare, and now from the remaining amount of money that we have, I have to check that if using this remaining amount of money I can buy exactly 4 chocolates. If I can buy exactly 4 chocolates, which means that k percent 4 equal to 0. If the remaining amount of money is exactly divisible by 4, then print success, CUCCESS, else if not, print fail, FAIL. Now let's check that our code is correct or not. So yeah, our code is completely correct as it has passed all the test cases. So this was a very easy question for today's POD. I hope you must have liked my way of explanation, and also do share it with your friends who are not able to solve today's POD. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep learning, keep coding.